Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how to properly apply the screen guard for your camera. All you need to do is rub the screen with the alcohol cloth which you get with this screen guard, and later on just remove the excess alcohol which is available on the screen. Again, be very careful not to just rub this clean cloth. Again, this might scratch your display and ruin the whole experience before even you apply the screen guard. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Another tip what I would like to give you is just by installing the lens while you installing the screen guard, you can just elevate your camera slightly above the table, which again is good in isolating the dust particles between the display and the table. And if you have a compressed pump like this, you all can get rid of the extra dust particles even before you all can apply the screen guard. So this is highly recommended if you all have it. And again, when you are just installing the screen guard, please make sure that you all are aligning it very properly and just leave it, because the screen guard going to do its job. The glue is going to auto align, and after this, if there are some extra bubbles, you all can just get rid of it by pressing it with that same cloth. And what this will do is that extra bubbles which are created between the display and the screen guard, it is just going to get rid of it. And just after applying it and pressing it, you all can make it thorough, and all these dust particles extra, if it is present, please you all have to remove it again and reinstall it. So in my particular case guys, I'm having issue with alignment of the screen guard with the display, so I'll have to slightly lift it off and then again realign the screen guard to the screen and then keep it back. So after doing this, I'll be making sure that there are no dust particles etc, otherwise it will ruin the entire experience of installing the screen guard. So as you can see over here, I've just adjusted it slightly by lifting it, and then there are no air bubbles, and the remaining gap between the display and the screen guard and the air etc, I'm just going to get rid of it just by pressing it. So this is so simple guys. Let me know in the comments below what camera you all have installed with. I hope you all enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel, and thanks a lot for watching this particular video guys, and see you in my next video.